Hey, it's Nate from Navigator Bookkeeping here, just giving an update on the April tax deadlines. You may have heard that the IRS extended the individual tax deadline from April 15 to May 17. So if your tax is a sole proprietor, that's going to affect you in a positive way because the deadline is moved back. If you are an S Corp, your S Corp deadline was still back in March 15 unless you filed an extension to September. But the individual pushback will still affect you because, of course, as an S corp, you have to file both as an S corp and as an individual, and all the profits from your S corp file in to your individual return. So that individual return will still be in May. But anyways, for everyone else who is affected or not affected by that, another date to know is April 15, and that is still the deadline for the first estimated tax payment for the first quarter of 2021. Back in January, we had the last payment of 2020. January 15 was the fourth quarter payment. But April 15th, this is the first quarter for estimated tax payments for 2021. So make sure you pay those. If you don't know what estimated tax payments are, definitely reach out. But they are payments that you need to make 4 times a year for all of your tax. So that's a big thing to be thinking about as we get into April here. The other thing to think about is, how did my tax situation go this year? If tax time was crazy and chaotic, think about what caused that. And if we can help out at all with your bookkeeping, happy to do that. But the other thing to think about is, did you have enough money in your account to pay your taxes? Lots of times when we get to tax time, business owners are kind of scrambling because the CPA comes, gives them a large tax bill, and then they're kind of stuck trying to pay that. They have to take a lot of money out of the business, or individually they have to take a lot of money out of their personal bank accounts, and it's just a struggle. So this year, my encouragement to you is, think about how you're saving for taxes. I highly recommend that you set aside a percentage of all of your revenue or even of all your profits and put it into a separate tax account inside of your business. This can just be any checking or savings account, but just put a percentage in there. A lot of people will start at somewhere between 10 to 15%. They'll just put that in every month into their tax account. And then when tax time rolls around, not only have they paid their estimated payments out of that account, but they can actually pay their year-end payment out of there as well. And if you saved extra, you get your little bonus at the end of the year too. So it's a great way to do it. If you want to learn more about that, reach out. I can tell you more about it, or read the book Profit First, which is one of these books behind me. That book is from Profit First. It's a great way to save for taxes and to take away a lot of the stress from tax time. So hope April goes well for you. Hope tax time is not too chaotic, but if we can be of any help, feel free to reach out. We're happy to help as much as we can.